Ever wondered how the coal that powers our world gets from port to port? It begins with a massive operation at sea. Long before the first piece of coal moves, meticulous pre-loading preparation is key. Every detail is checked and rechecked for a smooth operation. Precision positioning is crucial in the open water to align with the floating crane. The floating crane is the workhorse of this operation. Its immense lifting capacity will transfer thousands of tons of cargo. Before any lifting begins, rigorous safety checks are performed. In this industry, safety is the top priority. And then, the loading begins. The floating crane starts its relentless cycle, transferring coal from the barge to the mother vessel's holds. This is a 24/7 operation. The cycle of lifting and loading continues, a testament to human engineering and persistence. To maximize efficiency, a new barge is ready to take its place, ensuring the operation never stops for long. As the final holds are filled, the loading operation comes to a close. The vessel is now ready for its long journey ahead. Fully loaded, the vessel sets sail, a critical link in the global energy supply chain, powered by the colossal effort of sea loading.
Subscribe for more video.